3 years ago, I was living in a motel doing DoorDash every day and going broke doing it. So they tell you it's $20 an hour, but after gas, maintenance, fuel, and taxes that they don't take out, I was really making like 12 bucks an hour, which is less than minimum wage. And the app punishes you for declining orders that lose them money. Then I found out hospitals and labs pay drivers too. Same car, same hustle, except no tips and no algorithm and no begging. Medical couriers are out here making 25, 35, and even $45 an hour on direct contracts, moving lab specimens and prescriptions on a schedule. I went from that motel room to this. My whole family living under one roof. Cards paid for, bills paid. Same guy, same car, just a different game. And I'm not trashing DoorDash for clicks. New York's own attorney general hit them with a $17 million settlement over driver tips. The numbers are public. I just did the math before most people. And now I'm teaching people how to do the exact same setup, the compliance, the contracts, and the routes. Links in the bio, so drop it in the comments. Are you still door dashing or are you done? And follow the Blueprint to Freedom channel because in my next video, I'm going to show you exactly why $20 an hour is a lie.